In this video, we are going to see how we can enter the purchase order of the raw materials in SAP Business One. As you can see here, purchase order placed of cloth B to Star Textiles. That means we are placing the order of the raw materials to our vendor. Order number is 124. So let's see how we can enter this. First of all, we head over to the purchasing module and click on the purchase order. Here we need two adjustments. One, if you notice on the top, by default, the primary number that automatically pops up and will continue to increase is 1. But if you are transferring the records from the other accounting system, you might need an other starting number to start from. For example, 124 should be the current number, which should automatically increase instead of you manually entering that. So these adjustments needs to be made right now before even entering the first purchase order. If you have entered the purchase order, you no longer can change the automatic numbering sequence. Rather, you have to manually do it. Also, if you notice in the template, we have item number, but we don't have item description. So we will adjust this form in the blank template so it will be saved permanently. Right click on any of the headings, click on the form settings, click on the table format, and from here we enable the item description. Click OK. And now if we close this, and let me show you again, if we open the purchase order, it will always show the item description right now. But the second adjustments still need to be made, that is document numbering. So what we'll do simply is we'll click on search by menus and right here document numbering. Click on that, open this up, and in the purchase orders, and here we can see the first number is 1, but we need the numbering to start from 124, and since this number is not used yet, that's why the next number is suggested as 124 as well. Click update, click OK, and let's see the impact of it. If we now go to purchasing module, click on the purchase order, the automatic numbering will show as 124, which is perfect. Let's enter our order now. Supplier name is Star Textiles. Let's select that. Posting date, delivery date, and document date, I'll keep it as it is, whatever is in the educational version. Will not consider to enter it by dates. Item number is cloth B. Item number, item description automatically shows up. And quantity is 40,000. Rate is 150, which is shown here. And total is 6 million. Make sure the totals are correct. And at this stage, if you want to disable other fields, for example, discount, distribution rule, and so on, you can just right click, go to the form settings, and you disable those fields. But let's try to hit enter. It will save it. If you want to check the current entry, just go to the last record, right click on it, and you won't be able to check a journal entry for this. As you can see here, there is only cancel, close, and duplicate option. There is no journal entry effect because we have just ordered the items to our vendor. We haven't received anything yet. So this doesn't impact the accounts. But we can see the document relationship map, which we will see in much detail later on. But right now, the purchase order is only created and is open because it needs to be converted to purchase invoice when the vendor delivers the order. So this is all about it. This is how you can enter purchase order of the raw materials in SAP Business One. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.